Hello, welcome back to Days. Today we are going to show a fish fried rice recipe. For that I have here with me 250 grams of rice. I have took basmati rice and I have 200 grams of fish pieces here. It's nicely cleaned and washed properly. To this we are adding half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon fish masala. If you don't have fish masala, you may use garam masala instead. 1 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon salt. Crack 1 egg also into this, and finally add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now we'll combine this really well. This has to be marinated and fried. Let this marinate. Meanwhile, we'll go ahead and prepare the rice for our fried rice. In a pot, boil water. Into the boiling water, add in the rice. Add half teaspoon salt also to this, and then cook the rice until it is done almost 90%. This is how the rice should look. Now we'll turn off the flame. Drain the water and keep the rice in a different container. In a pan kept over medium flame, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using my favorite cast iron skillet here. If you would like to get one like this, please check the description box for an affiliate link where you can order one for yourself. Once the oil is heated nicely, we'll place the fish pieces one by one and fry them. Wait till one side of the fish is fried properly, then stir and fry all of them. Once it's fried nicely, remove from oil. Into the same oil, add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Now saute it for a while. Now we are going to add in the vegetables. I have here with me 1 handful of carrots and 1 handful of beans. You may use any vegetable which is available with you. Stir and cook the vegetables. Make sure you don't overcook it and make it soggy. We need the vegetables a bit crunchy. Now into this, add half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon fish masala. Again, you may use garam masala instead. Also add half teaspoon salt to this. Now mix everything really well. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce also to this. After everything is combined, add in the rice which we have cooked before. Now add in the fish pieces and 1 handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves to this. Mix everything really well and and our fish fried rice is ready to serve. We hope you will try this recipe and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. If you are watching your channel for the first time, we invite you to subscribe so you may watch the new videos which we are uploading. Thank you.